In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add books to Notebooklm. We'll walk through the process from the moment you open Notebooklm all the way to having your book ready to use as a source. Follow along on your own screen if you can, and pause the video whenever you need to. First, go ahead and open Notebooklm in your browser. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll see an option that says Create New. Click that to create a brand new notebook. If you already have a notebook where you want this book to live, you can skip creating a new one and just click on that existing notebook to open it. The important thing is that you're inside the notebook where you want the book to be added. With the notebook open, look over at the left-hand panel. This is where your sources will appear. Find the button with a plus sign labeled Add Source and click it. This is the main way you bring content into Notebooklm, so you'll use this a lot as you build out your notebooks. After you click Add Source, you'll see a few options for where your book can come from. To upload a file that's saved on your computer, choose Upload a Source. If your book is stored in Google Drive instead, you can click the Google Drive icon. Both options work the same way in the end. They just pull the file from different places. Let's start with the Upload option. When you click Upload a Source, a file picker window will open. Navigate to the folder where your book is saved. Notebooklm works best with files in PDF or plain text format, so look for a file ending in .pdf or .txt. If your book is in another format, such as a Word document, you may want to convert it to PDF first, so Notebooklm can read it more consistently. Once you've found the correct file, click on it to highlight it, then click Open if you're uploading from your computer, or Select if you're choosing it from Google Drive. At this point, Notebooklm will start processing your book. Depending on the size of the file and your internet connection, it may take a little time, so just wait until you see it appear in the sources list on the left panel. After it shows up there, your book is successfully added and ready to use in Notebooklm.